Carhub.
What's up guys, welcome back to Carhub, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the Upstream O2 sensor in this Gen 2 Prius. So first thing you want to do, you want to take your wipers off with a 14mm. Once you got that off, you want to take your cowling plastic molding off and the wiper motor. So you can get the wiper motor off with a 10mm socket. You're going to also need to take off this relay box. Now that we got the cowling off, it's time to go in here and look at the O2 sensor. We're going to go right in above the exhaust manifold, and you can see the O2 sensor right here. We have to take off this heat shield with 4 10mm bolts to access the O2 sensor. Alright, so we got the heat shield out of it, and here's the tool that I use to get it out. Just a 10mm deep on a ratchet. So now you can see the O2 sensor. It has a casing around it, so now we got to get that casing off. So I ended up having to cut the casing around the O2 sensor with side cutters, and then I had pliers to rip it out of there. So now after you did that, it's time to get a 7/8 wrench and to take the O2 sensor off. So I got it loosened, so now I can just untighten it with my fingers. Now it's time to go in with the new O2 sensor, and we also have to cut off this shield so we can tighten it, getting it up in there. Once we get it in there, you want to make sure you get it tight, and we did put a little anti-seize cream on it so it don't seize up in there. And make sure to get it plugged in. The wire goes up and through on top of the motor right there, as you can see. Now it's time to go back on with the heat shield and put everything back together. And that's how you replace the Upstream O2 sensor on a Gen 2 Prius. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.